All right, Dave. So I'm just going to run over some of the stuff we did earlier on today. So we started off with the A minor pentatonic scale, which you've already got. So that's two notes on every string. First of every two starts on the same fret each time. So in this case, the 5th fret. And then we're going up. So up by 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay? So now you can make that into the blues scale by adding the flat 5th, okay? So what you've got is 1st, 3rd, that's the 2nd, the pentatonic skips that. 4th, 5th. So that's where the flat 5th is, or the sharp 4th, same thing. So we've got 1st, 3rd, 4th, sharp 4th, flat 5th, 5th, 7th, and then at this point we start repeating ourselves because the 8th is the same note as the 1st. So now we got 1st, 3rd, 4th, flat 5th, blues note, 5th, 7th, 8th, or 1st, same note, and then the 3rd. So all the way up. So generally I recommend holding this one down, this 3rd fret note down with your little finger, but these ones with your 3rd finger. You just have a bit more control that way, and it's not too much of a reach because you're not reaching over the strings as well. All right, so we extended that out to the 3rd position pentatonic by going up to the blues box. So you just take these top notes of the original shape and you just go up 2 frets from that each time. So there it is. So these are the top notes of the original scale, and we just go up 2 frets from those each time. Okay, so last scale we did then was kind of like a filled out pentatonic scale, the natural minor scale. So as I said, the pentatonic scale, out of the 7 notes in the key, the pentatonic scale skips the 2nd and the 6th. So we're just gonna, so to get the natural minor scale, we just add those back in. So here it is. So we're starting off here. So you've got, start on the 5th fret, up 2, then 1. Same again, just up 2 on the D string, back a fret on the G string, up 1, then 2, back up a fret on the B string, and same thing, up 1, then 2, and then up 2, then 1. And always down, up picking as well, remember that. Okay, so just for a change of scenery, we'll take it up to the key of D minor. So there's A sharp, B, C sharp, sorry. There's A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D. Okay, so we're going up. All right, so the first one we did was just 2 hammer-ons from bottom to top on the D string. Same on the G string. And hold that up there and make it sing. Okay? And, you know, if you're not sure how much to bend, just slide it up. Okay, next one was the first lick in the Another Brick in the Wall solo. So we're pulling off from top to bottom here on the B string. Coming up with the middle finger on the G string top note, up with the pleck, back down on the bottom note of the B string, quick little bend up where we go up and cut the note off then. Okay. Staccato note on the bottom note of the E string, so that means you just hit it and kill it, and then come back up to the top note of the B string and bend it up to this note. So and okay, so that's pretty much it. But just look, take the scale, hammer-ons all the way up, pull-offs, and then you can always pick hammer pull as well. and just see what happens. Okay, so we've got a couple of scales there, a couple of phrases to go with it, and just move about the scale. You know, slide here, pull off there, a bend there, and just see what happens, and try to string these things together. So we'll do a couple more phrases next week, and we'll have a look at that Rolling Stones one as well, see if we can pick off some of the more accessible phrases that he does there. Right, I'll see you next time.